Hey, so if you want to create professional proposal slides in Google Slides in 2026, this guide will walk you through step by step so your proposals are clear, persuasive, and visually appealing. First, open your browser and go to Google Slides. Log in using your Google account email and password. Once inside, you'll see options to start a new presentation or open an existing one. Start by selecting a theme or template. Pick one that looks professional and aligns with your brand or the client's style. Consistent colors, fonts, and layouts make your proposal look polished. Next, create slides for each section of your proposal. Typically, include a title slide, an introduction, objectives, solutions or services offered, timelines, pricing, and a conclusion. Use clear headings and concise bullet points to make content easy to digest. Add visuals such as charts, graphs, or images to illustrate key points. Visuals make your proposal more persuasive and help the client understand data or processes quickly. Use speaker notes to include additional talking points or explanations that won't appear on the slide. This helps you deliver the proposal confidently while keeping slides clean. Leverage multiple views like list, grid, or slideshow mode to organize and review your slides. Check transitions and layout consistency to ensure a professional flow. Consider using simple animations to emphasize important points, but avoid overdoing it. Too many effects can distract from the proposal content. Finally, review your slides carefully. Check for typos, alignment, and clarity. Share your proposal with clients using the share button or download it as a PDF to maintain formatting across devices, and that's it. By selecting a professional theme, structuring slides clearly, adding visuals, using speaker notes, and reviewing carefully, you can create effective proposal slides in Google Slides. If this helped, hit the like button, share it with colleagues, and subscribe for more simple, step-by-step tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, take care.